Hey there, kids. Today, we are diving into a super special day in India, Republic Day. Every year on January 26th, we celebrate the day our constitution came to life. Can you imagine a big book that tells everyone how to live together happily? That's our constitution. It was created in 1950, and it made India a democratic country. Isn't that cool? On this day, we honor our heroes who fought for freedom. They are real-life superheroes. People dress in bright colors, wave flags, and watch the wonderful Republic Day parade. The parade shows off India's culture, strength, and unity with amazing floats and performances. Look! There are school children performing dances and marching with pride, so impressive. It's not just a celebration, it's a reminder that we should always respect our country and each other. So remember, kids, Republic Day is about pride, unity, and love for our nation. Celebrate it joyfully.